Good morning, good morning, good morning. It's your girl, mzddollars. So I'm finally taking these twists out. It's been about 3 weeks, honey. It was time. It's definitely time for it to come out. But I've been booked and busy. But anyway, I'm starting on the side where my daughter did my twist on live. So if you missed that, why you not following my page? But as you can see, it's a little stringy. All right, we're gonna get it together. So let's take down the rest of my hair. But wait, I got to this one, honey, and it was just popping. I had to show y'all. So this is halfway done. Your girl just needs some help, okay? Help me, please. Just help me, please. But in this clip, I'm showing you how I separate the two-strand twist into smaller sections. So basically, when you're twisting, you're also twisting each individual strand as you go down. So I'm untwisting it and separating it. I know it sounds confusing, but I tried to put the clip in here so y'all can see exactly what I was doing. So bear with me. And if you have any questions, just comment it, down below. Now, this is how we looking, okay? All the twists are taken down. They're separated and full of definition. I'm probably going to wet the end so they can curl up a little bit in the morning. But yeah, this is how we looking. I'm going to turn around in 1, 2, 3. Bam. I'm in 3, 2, 1, but y'all get it. Pull that shirt down. Okay. Curls is popping. Okay. I love it. I love it. It came out good to me. If you want it more fluffy, all you have to do is take a pick or a big tooth comb and just, pull at the roots. Do your thing. This is my hair for all you naysayers. But anyway, it's time to go to bed, and I'm just going to do the pineapple. That's my go-to night routine. Put a bonnet on it, and I'm going to bed.